Assalamualaikum, welcome back to the 3A's. And this is Ek. Happy New Year, everybody! This is my
Happy New Year! Dancing in the moonlight, everybody. Dancing in the moonlight, everybody. Dancing in the roof light. Fire, dancing under fireworks, everybody dancing under fireworks, everybody. Can we finally get into the video? It's been 37 seconds since we're doing this.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but it's getting increased every time.
As I was saying, Happy New Year! This is my, I guess, a crazy Happy New Year gift to whoever is watching, and you won't get it.
That is so nice.
Unless you buy it from the store, that's different. Anyways, as I was supposed to be saying, today we're gonna make
3
dagger. Okay. So hopefully it'll be easy for you, which it wasn't for me. But why was it really easy? You'll watch the video and it. But still, it's really too much impatient. Everyone is skipping the part to be knowing it. So I'll tell you, like making sure the shade doesn't rip because it's out of paper, and the strand and the paper rolls and this and that and this and that and this and that.
It's made out of paper, so you can't actually get the heel so easily fat and this so easily strong. So you need a lot of rolls.
But if you make it out of cardboard, it's piece of
Noyan Dagger.
No, Noyan Dagger is not an easy prop. Okay,
Piece of cake.
Fine, cake. All you gotta do, make the if you're making it out of cardboard, just make the shape, like maybe 2, and use like popsicle sticks or whatever you have to strengthen it. Add another layer, and if you want the heel to be fatter than the blade, just add 1 or 2 layers of cardboard. Hey! Side. So you're gonna add one piece of the heel per side, or 2 or 3. It matters on how fat you want it. Okay, and you just wrap it with paper or paper tape, or don't even wrap it, and paint it according to how it's supposed to be.
It's easier if you say just watch our Noyan Dagger cardboard.
That's not a bad idea. I'll just say that again. Go and watch our Noyan Dagger cardboard. That was fun. Okay, now question of the day. Wait. Before the question of the day, I'm gonna tell you stuff. Like I'm gonna be making in the future videos.
Shut up and ask the question!
No, I can't before I tell this. Because this is the main part of the question.
Oh.
So let's see. I'm gonna make Gunda sword with its cover and belt attachment, so you can shrink it out. And Alinchak dagger, Alinchak sword, and Noyan Dagger sword, and Salaman sword. And so now the question of the day: which one of the weapons do you want? Then the one I just told you I'm gonna make and I'm making. So let's jump, and we're gonna test it. How do I test it? I'm just gonna do some crazy moves.
Quit knocking the door!
I said crazy moves. Now to call someone for testing. Tuktin Bay, hurry up, yo!
Why Tuktin Bay? Why not someone else?
I don't know, I'm gonna choose.
Yeah, just call Tuktin Bay.
Nah, I'm gonna call some of these guys. Of course not Thor. I still don't know how rude that guy is. He's like, who rides on a Stormbreaker?
Yeah, let's just have a playback of that time.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a tape playback.
I'm just gonna. Now let's see.
We have a playback.
Go over the playback. Yeah.
And we're gonna choose.
How do you like the playback?
I like the playback. Like, who rides on it? Seriously. And anyways, I'm gonna choose. Who? Don't help. No. He's a cool dagger. And he has a
Let's just get him.
dagger. So let's call Dawn. Yo, Dawn, hurry up! I really want to kill you, Dawn.
Okay, I'm coming.
And remember,
थोर एक पागल इंसान है तुम्हारी तरह नोयान। तुम्हारी मौत आज तुम्हें बुलाई है क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें मारना चाहता हूँ। उससे पहले वो सीरियस आज वो सीरियस और आज मुझे मार दे जो मेरे नसीब में लिखा हुआ है तुम दार की वजह से। चले
अच्छा वसीलियस तुम्हें मारेगा? कमांडर वसीलियस
देखो अभी तक आया नहीं है। अभी तुम्हारी मौत का वक्त है नोयान।
नहीं
अभी तक मौत का वक्त नहीं है।
पहले मेरी शादी करनी है ताकि मैं टोका वाला ताकि मेरा बच्चा टोका है और शाफ और
मेरा खंजर गिर गया। इतनी चीटिंग होती है।
लेकिन चीटिंग मेरे साथ है, वो मेरी तलवार नहीं है।
He dies.
No, it's on the leg.
ओके ठीक है फिर मुझे भागना पड़ेगा। मुझे बस भी शादी करनी है ताकि मेरा बेटा आ जाए।
कब वापस आओ, वापस आओ।